Well, it is a pretty hot day out there today, and it's only going to get hotter in the next several days. We've got a lot of blue skies out there, even a little bit of haze on the horizon, though. We've had some smoke filtering in over the last day or so from some of the wildfires out west in California, and you can tell at the bottom of the horizon here of the sky, right here, that sort of brownish gray opaque layer that we see that's not quite blue. That's actually the smoke that's in the middle of the atmosphere. It's not really down at the surface for us, fortunately, so it's not causing much of an air quality issue for us, but it is going to be affecting our sunset. So last night, if you saw the sunset, it was a very pink disk of the sun. Likely going to have another one of those coming up tonight. But we're staying under the hot weather of the next several days. We've got this dome of hot temperatures of this high pressure across the southwest moving to the central part of the United States. Notice right here, that's actually one of the tropical systems that are going to be coming through the Gulf this weekend. That's right, there are two of them coming through, and that's out of our hair. It's not really going to affect us very much except for pulling down that one little trough. But as we head towards the middle of next week, this is Tuesday of next week, we're looking at more of a trough coming through that'll swing through, but that's going to be once we're in September, not the one coming up in just a few days. Looking at the 7-day forecast, our Tuesday to come here soon, we're going to be seeing temperatures into the upper 90s, 98 on Monday, 97 for Tuesday, Wednesday, 98 again by Thursday. So very hot temperatures coming up, especially for this time in August. Now, by the end of the 7-day forecast, temperatures into the 80s, so cooling off a little bit, but will still be well above average for most of the United States. Satellite and radar here on the regional picture. We've got a weak boundary to our north. It's not enough to really affect our weather through the evening tonight. It's not going to push through. We've just got this high pressure across Missouri and Arkansas pulling up a lot of those southern winds. If we look at the surface winds here a little bit closer on a state level, you can see that divide in that wind there across the Highway 20 corridor. So hot temperatures accentuated by that breeze coming up from the south. That's going to continue over the next several days. Current temperature 92 degrees in Grand Island, 90 in Kearney, 95 out here in Imperial, and 97 up in Chadron. They were at near 100 the past couple of days, and they're going to be seeing that next couple of days as well, as we see just this hot temperature sticking around. But 88 in Columbus, 86 in York, and 88 in Hebron, right there on the Highway 81 corridor. Dew points are in the 60s, a few 70s out there, so it feels a little bit more muggy out there to the east. Factor that in with the temperature, and you have the heat index. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s across the area for that heat index, so 98 is what it feels like there in Ord at this hour. Satellite and radar, not a whole lot going on. We're not going to see a whole lot over the next several days. There were a few showers here around the Sioux City area right at the beginning of the loop, moving into Iowa. It didn't really affect any of our viewing area. We're going to remain very dry, basically not seeing any rain over the next several days. Looking through Futurecast, there might be a brief chance for some weak showers later on this evening, but it's not going to amount to much as we just breeze right on through Futurecast here. Maybe by early Monday morning there might be a few thunderstorms across parts of the Sandhills. It's not going to last very long, so we'll have to just see if we get anything here in the Tri-Cities area. Lows tonight are dropping down into the 60s. We'll see through the day tomorrow. Heat index values are going to be rising with the temperature getting near 100 for that feels like index. Highs across the state are going to be near to mid to upper 90s, if not near 100 out towards the west. Stick around. We've got more news right after this.